Well, here I am again with a prosthesis for my friend. Um, Brian was just here, just left, and I created this little less LED, but I think maybe much more interesting. Uh, so I printed the arm and then added these LED lights, and then over here uh, I drilled a hole and put in an 18650 battery, and then I put this board in here which recharges the battery when you plug in a USB cord over here. And there's two switches in here, black and the white. The white switch turns off the animations, but as you can see, the green light is on in here. And I bought this board, by the way, on Amazon. They're not very expensive, and they go up to 2 amps. So at least that's what the Chinese paperwork says on it. And then this here is a controller that controls different animations, and you go up and down in different animations, and the middle one is for speed. So anyway, I will demonstrate. I'm gonna hit this one here. So this one does that, and then do it again. It does that, and so these are the different animations it can do. And here we go with the bright, very bright light white, so you can actually like lit up a sidewalk with it. Oh, these are different colors, of course, and then different animations. Excuse me. And then I'm going to push the right button here, and it goes backwards. Until we end up at this one. Anyway, I think it looks nice. Uh, the whole the whole arm. It barely fits in my video shot. And on the other one, I had to use these CR 123 um, A batteries, and they don't last very long. But here we have less LEDs, and we have an 18650 battery, which is this thing right here. So it actually sits about that deep. As you know, 18650 battery is a pretty good battery, and this is the charger. He's not going to have to do anything but recharge it when it runs low. So that's all I wanted to show for today, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up and have a great day.